Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy?
Hello everybody!
Is it snowy?
Miss Regina created a game that you and your family can play together at home.
Look outside.
I called it the weather
The
game.
weather.
We are going to play a match-up game or a bingo game. So what is weather?
Outside.
Well, today we have a snowy day
Rainy today.
and sometimes it's sunny.
Let's look outside.
And there are days that it's so windy.
Is it cloudy today?
And there sometimes it rains
Let's look
and
outside.
sometimes the sun is
Is it
not
snowy
out.
today?
It's hiding behind the clouds. And I have a picture of how you sign
How's the weather?
weather.
How's the weather?
Now let's start. Let's play matchup.
Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today?
I hope you like the game.